Hi, I'm Chris Reynolds and I made this guitar, ukulele.
It's a long story. We're nearly there.
I've been combining my passion for guitar making with my passion for filmmaking, resulting in my YouTube channel, Guitar Making with Chris Reynolds.
After a lifetime in television, I decided I wanted to do something different. So I went back to college and I studied guitar making. Even when I was editing for a living, I was still making guitars in my spare time whenever I could.
Yeah, this neck has a slight belly bow in it. We got to get this absolutely dead straight. I like guitars which look like they've been used rather than abused, with the glaring omission of some strings.
Finally, after all these weeks. It's been an absolute pleasure.
So here we go. I think I'm just going to stop.
Guitar making is my passion and my joy, so join me on Guitar Making with Chris Reynolds.